The Lumia 830 is Nokia's last mid-range effort before its entire smartphone business was gobbled up and rebranded as Microsoft Lumia. Nevertheless, the handset will be updated to the unifying Windows 10 when it lands later this year, so it is far from irrelevant still. Lumia 830 is hardly a spec-out device when it comes to the main mobile components, as it features a lowly Snapdragon 400 chipset, 1GB of RAM, and a 720p display only, but Nokia has thrown in a couple of perks that set it apart not only in the Windows Phone crown, but also from mainstream Androids. Can a 10MP optically stabilized camera, and Nokia's rich recording with surround sound audio be enough to prevent the Lumia 830 from sinking into oblivion before Windows 10 hits? Let's see. In the box. Nokia AC61.5A wall charger. Nokia charging and data cable. Warranty and information leaflets. Design. One of the thinnest Lumias available, the colorful polycarbonate 830 feels solid in the hand, eschewing the traditional unibody with a replaceable battery design this time. At first brush, the Lumia 830 is the typical Lumia Nokia's been churning out since the brand's inception, with a polycarbonate chassis that is available in numerous flashy colors. Here, however, we don't have the traditional unibody design, but rather an easy-to-pry-off rear cover that reveals a swappable battery pack, as well as the nano SIM and micro SD card slots. We have to take points off for the nano SIM, however, as it will force you to cut or replace your micro SIM card if you buy it unlocked, but this trend is inevitable, it seems. At 5.49 by 2.78 by 0.33 inches, 139.4 by 70.7 by 8.5 millimeters, however, and weighing 5.29 ounces, 150 grams, it is somewhat tall and heavy for a 5-incher, and yet it utilizes a nano SIM slot, which should be reserved for slim and light design efforts. Moving on, the Lumia 830 chassis feels very solid in the hand, the matte polycarbonate on the back prevents it from slipping, and the keys concentrated on the right-hand side, are all big enough, with good tactile feedback, and easy to find and press without looking. We also liked how the tapered cover glass slopes towards the sides to merge with the side rim for one uninterrupted look and feel. Nokia bragged that it takes hundreds of robotic movements to achieve the curved glass edges, and we have to say that the results of all that scrubbing are very pleasant to hold or simply look at. Overall, the Lumia 830 feels like one very solid piece of hardware that should serve you well a long time.